In this case, we need to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. I don't know if you remember, but I taught you this like cooking recipe that you need to follow some steps. Okay, the first step is to send the constant term or the number by itself without x or x squared. You need to send it to the right side. So we have x squared minus 8x equals negative 13. Now, what do you need to add to both sides? You will add the coefficient of the x term divided by 2 and then square it to both sides. Okay, you will add this to both sides. Now let us simplify it a little bit. Negative 4 squared. That's what you will add to both sides. Now, it's important that on the left side, you leave it like this with a parenthesis, and you'll see why. So we have x squared minus 8x plus negative 4 squared. And then negative 13 plus negative 4 squared. I have added to both sides this term. So on the left side, this will become a binomial square, right? So this is why it was important to keep the negative sign so that it was easy to see that this was negative. And then on this side we have, on the right side we have negative 13 plus negative 4 squared is 16 positive. We simplify it and we get negative 4 x minus 4 squared equals 3. Okay. Now we need to choose which form we got, the first or the second. We got the second. So minus 4 equals 3. And after this, we need to find the solutions. How? By taking the square root to both sides. So when we take the square root of the left side, we are left with x minus 4. And then on the right side, plus minus the square root of 3. Okay? We isolate the x. The 4 goes to the other side positive, plus minus square root of 3, plus 4. And then the two solutions are one with a positive sign, plus 4, and then the other one with the negative sign. And that's it. We need to write them. Remember, with a comma, separated with a comma, square root of 3 plus 4, comma, negative square root of 3 plus 4. We are done.